Well, I'm proposing a Florida-style immigration bill, and in thinking through these issues and what's important and meaningful, over and over again, you will hear me say, Florida is not Arizona. I can understand the frustrations of the people of Arizona because they have a very different border situation than Florida has. And I understand all of us are frustrated with Washington for not passing comprehensive immigration reform. But to me, the focus here in Florida, and this is what I would propose when I become governor and work with the legislature, is to focus on businesses that knowingly hire illegal immigrants because they are taking jobs away from Florida citizens and legal immigrants here in our state. And so that would be the focus of what I intend to talk to the legislative leadership about, increasing the fines and penalties for those businesses. Because I've talked a lot with law enforcement. And the law enforcement, as you may be aware, the two major law enforcement organizations have endorsed me the first time in 20 years that they've endorsed a Democrat in the governor's race. I've been endorsed by Republican as well as Democratic sheriffs. I've been endorsed by Republican as well as Democratic state attorneys. And they know where I stand and what my approach is on illegal immigration, and that's why they support me.
So I take it you would not be in favor of some of the provisions in Snyder's bill, which include like different legal different penalties if you're an illegal immigrant.
Well, and I have not looked at his bill and studied it, but law enforcement. Look, there's an article in your paper today about the serious budget situation in the Broward sheriff, and I had a meeting with Sheriff Lamberti a few weeks ago, and he's struggling with how do I keep Floridians, residents of Broward County, safe with these increasingly limited resources. I don't need to have another mandate placed on me to assume the responsibilities of the ICE, federal immigration authorities. The feds need to be doing their job. That's their job to round up people who are here illegally. I can't take on more responsibility right now when the important thing is to protect my citizens from crimes and fraud and other responsibilities that I'm barely able to take care of right now.
You gotta come back to politics. When weren't you able to get Sheriff Lamberti's endorsement? You've mentioned other Republicans.
Well, he's he's thinking about it.
Do you have a photo of that meeting?
I can't remember whether we had a photographer. Yeah, we probably did. You'll have to ask his official photographer.